for the phone, and a 62 inches tripod that also supports Bluetooth connectivity for camera shutter. For the phone, and a 62 inches tripod that also supports Bluetooth connectivity for camera shutter. So hi there, and today was a wonderful day. I finally did my assessment and it went well. I got my second assessment for Amazon. So hopefully I'll be clearing that as well, and then let's see how it goes. Apart from that, today's match was so wonderful. Like Sunrisers Hyderabad scored 125 in the power play. Like Abhishek Sharma and Travis Head were like I haven't seen a batting like that in years. And apart from and in the let's come back to the chess world updates. In the chess world, Gukesh is leading the candidates, and he might be winning the candidates to face the world champion at the age of 17. So that's something wonderful. Like there were three table toppers, and now there is one first place and three second place. And then in the second place there is Fabiano Caruana, Ian Nepanashi, and Hikaru Nakamura, whereas Gukesh is the sole leader of the tournament, and there is only one match left, that is tomorrow. And it's Gukesh versus Hikaru, so Hikaru will be playing for a must win. And actually, every second player will be playing for a must win now. And apart from that, I was able to clear both of the Amazon's questions pretty easily. Like, I got confused in the second question. It was a bit tricky. It wasn't hard, it was tricky because my mind thought it was something complicated, but it was like a straightforward question. And the first question I did it under like 3.5 minutes. I finished my entire assessment, which was of 70 minutes, in under 50 minutes, even after rechecking everything. So that's how my assessment went. I did a bit of handstand practice. I practiced a lot of lead code. I'll be practicing even more now. I did try to make a setup today for my vlogging, and it looks good, and I might be getting a mic really soon, and I bought a tripod today, so yay for that. So that's it for my today's day and daily updates and news. Please, if you live in Amravati or any of the region that is um, currently conducting elections, please go ahead and vote for whatever party you feel like. Just do vote. Your vote means a lot. I won't be able to do it, but you guys please do that. And like, share and subscribe to this video. It makes me happy if you guys subscribe. So yeah, that's it from my side for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.